morning, guys. Today is Monday. I think that this video is going up on Wednesday, so happy Wednesday to you. So today I'm doing something that I've not done in such a long time, and that is a sticker shop vlog, because today is the day of the week where I'm going to be working on my sticker shop. I kind of have themed out my days, and I feel like this is really working well to balance 2 businesses and a YouTube channel. So that's what we were doing today. These past couple months, I've not really been doing a lot with my sticker shop. I've not been excited about it. I've not been like, woohoo, I'm doing a lot with it. Like, honestly, it's been non-existent almost, but I'm trying to get back into it. And so today I'm designing a couple kits, and then I need to print and cut them and take the photos and do the listings and all of that stuff. My goal with all of my businesses is that the day that I'm working on them, I'm getting everything I want done for the week in that one day, which sounds like a lot, but I'm doing little things at a time. So like, I'm not designing like 50 kits. I'm designing like 2 or 3 for the week. And that way I'm consistently putting up new stuff for you guys, but I'm not like overwhelming myself. 2 or 3 kits in one day is totally realistic and can be done. And like the same thing with my mug shop. When I do my mug shop stuff tomorrow, I'm going to do however many designs I feel like is a good amount, put them all on mugs, do the listing photos, listings, etc. And that way that's done for the week. And then YouTube, I will do some filming on that day and editing and everything. You get the point. If you guys want to see how I schedule everything, how I'm organizing everything, let me know in the comments below. I think that that's going to be Friday's video. So I think I'm just going to do it because I want to do it, but let me know if you're interested in that. So yeah, but today is going to be full of just sticker shop content. So I'm just going to vlog my work day. I'm not going to vlog anything after that. So right now it is currently 8:27. So I have 3 minutes before I'm scheduled to start working, and I feel pretty good about it. I've kind of tidied the house. I've gotten ready for the day. I'm really trying to make this a super productive Monday, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So the first thing that we are going to do is I'm going to take this notepad, and I'm going to write down the kits that I want to design. And if I don't have the clip art, I'm going to go find it on Etsy. If I do, I'm just going to launch into designing. If I get everything designed before my design block is up, then I might design more, but my design block is from 8:30 to 12. And then after that, we're going to print and cut, do listings, photos, all that fun stuff, and then social media and whatever else I need to get done. And if I get everything done, I'll just try to add more things. But yeah, the goal is at least 2 or 3 kits, and that's what's going on. So I have my tea, I have my water, and we're just gonna get started. I need to find a place to set you guys up so you can watch me design, but guys, so I have designed 3 kits, and it is currently 11:15. I'm so proud of myself because I finally feel like maybe, just maybe, I'm starting to get back into the swing of things with my sticker shop. So yay. And I'm going to show you guys the kits that I've designed today. Okay, so the first kit that we have is our pastel floral. I didn't really know what to call this one, but it's our pastel floral. The quote says, "Life is beautiful," and it's just very like simple. But when I did a poll, you guys voted like you liked the more simple patterns like this, so hopefully you like this. So anyway, there's that. Then we have Sweet Succulent, which I think might be my favorite, to be honest. I really like the way this one turned out. This is the first one I worked on, and I think this might be my favorite. Let me know in the comments below which one your favorite is. But this one says, "Life would suck without you," like suck, like succulent. I thought that was pretty funny. And then the last one, that's not the last one. I mean, that's part of the last one. This is the last one. And it's just very bright and colorful. And I named this one Bright Bloom. And the quote is, "Live your best life." And so I thought that that was just really fun. It's very bright. I actually, when I bought this, didn't realize it said they were like more of autumn colors or autumn floral. But I mean, whatever. You can make this work anytime. I feel like it's just bright enough that it could be summer. So I like it. But anyway, let me know which one your favorite is. So this one was Bright Bloom. We have Sweet Succulent and Pastel Floral. So let me know in the comments below which one you love. I feel pretty good about this, guys. I feel like maybe we're back. Hopefully. Maybe Sticky Situations Co. is making their comeback, you know? I finished the photos. I edited them on my Lightroom app on my phone. So now I have just airdropped them all to my computer, and I'm going to go on the website and on Etsy and do all the listings for both of those. So there'll be 6 listings total because there's 3 collections, but each has a full kit and a mini kit. So yeah, I'll probably just like set you guys up here and you can kind of just watch me work on my computer. I normally do this on the couch. So I've been like in my office all day on the other computer, but I like to, when it's stuff I can do on my laptop, I like to just like come sit on the couch, put YouTube on the TV and like plow through my work. So I have that to do. And I also have social media stuff to like schedule and everything. So I have about another hour and a half that I had planned for my work day. So I'm pretty sure I can get all of this done within that time frame, which is awesome. I feel like I've accomplished so much today, even with like the little bumps along the way, because like my cutting machine didn't want to work. So I had to like stop everything and work on that and stuff like that. So that's nice that I can just have that out of the way. And I'm really excited that I was able to get so much done today. And like, I'm basically done with my sticker shop work for the week. And that feels like such a good feeling to know that I'm releasing new stuff. Like that is done, everything's done. And after I get all the listings done and I schedule all the social media posts, I will be done working on Sticky Situations Co. for the week with the exception of orders. So that's really nice. And I think that this is going to be the best system for me right now. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out the best way to balance everything. And in the next video, I will show you guys how I'm scheduling everything out to make sure I'm getting everything done for my sticker shop, for my mug shop, for my YouTube channel, and just for getting everything else that I need to do within the week done, such as cleaning and all that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about that. And I'm just gonna sit here and work on some listings, and I'll just set you guys up and you can, and it's literally probably such a boring thing, but I don't know. If you guys wanna watch, I'm gonna have it set up so you can watch it. So, okay, time to find a good YouTube video, put it on the TV. I need to go get my blanket. I like to have my blanket because it's a little chilly in the house. I keep it a little too cold in here, but I'm gonna go get my blanket, cuddle up on the couch, and knock out the rest of my work for the day. All right, you guys, it is 5 o'clock. My work day is ending and I actually got everything accomplished today, which is awesome. But real quickly, I wanted to show you guys the stickers that are releasing on Friday. So this video should go live on Wednesday and these are going up on Friday. So these will be the new releases for this week and I will have links and everything if you want to check them out. But like I said, they'll be going up on Friday. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys real quick and then we'll end the vlog. All right guys, so sorry about the lighting. The sun's just coming in from that window, so sorry. Anyway, we have some mini kits and some full kits, but we have 3 collections total. So we have the Sweet Succulents kit. These are what the full boxes look like. Hang on, let me go show this. That is so much better. Okay, so we have the Sweet Succulents full and mini kits. We have Pastel Floral, which just looks so pretty. And then we also have Bright Bloom. So yeah, these are the sticker kits that are available in the shop. And I will leave a code that will be good on Friday when these actually go up in the shop. But the quotes on this one says, "Life would suck without you." This one says, "Live your best life." And this one says, "Life is beautiful." So yeah. Those are the kits that I designed today. I got everything done and they're ready to go for Friday. But I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. I am so tired just from looking at the computer screen all day. And I feel really good about what I got done today, but I'm just like, I'm tired. I'm ready to just unplug, enjoy the rest of my night and not have to work, though I'll probably do a little bit of editing for this vlog, but for the most part, I just want to chill and like not have to work. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes of my sticker shop video. I'll try to do more of these. Like I really do want to bring that content back, but in a balanced way where it doesn't feel like that's all anyone wants to see from me. So it'll definitely be a more scaled back version of what it used to be. And especially now because I have other things in my life that I'm going to share, you know, like my mug shop and stuff. So it's just going to be, a lot of, you know, behind the scenes of the business, entrepreneurship, but then daily life and productivity and cleaning and just all the things that I really love. But more than that, I want it to be full of like community and like follow me around, spend the day with me type of vlogs. Just like we're best friends and we're hanging out, because I personally love videos like that and I love connecting with you guys. So that's definitely going to be the heart of my channel. But I do want to bring back sticker shop vlogs because I'm trying to fall back in love with it. I'm getting there. Today was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up for me. And don't forget to click subscribe if you guys want to see any of the things that I mentioned. But especially if you want to see more of my sticker shop, because like I said, I am going to show it. So definitely click subscribe and I will see you guys on Friday for a video all about how I organize all my businesses and how I'm getting it all done. So make sure you subscribe for that and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye guys.